Collagen supplement supports your skin and promotes a radiant, youthful appearance, right? Well, it's a connection that goes deeper than the widely marketed claims by collagen brands. It starts with the gut, because true radiance comes from nourishing your body at the core. Let's dive into the science, albeit briefly. To read the detailed article, visit our website. Collagen is essential for your body's structure, supporting skin, bones, and last but not least, your gut. Collagen strengthens the gut lining, which acts as a barrier to prevent harmful substances from entering your bloodstream. As we age, collagen production naturally declines. This can lead to a weakened gut lining, contributing to digestive discomfort and conditions like leaky gut syndrome. Supplementing with collagen helps replenish those levels, improving gut health and alleviating symptoms like bloating, while strengthening the intestinal barrier. Collagen doesn't just support your gut, it's key to radiant skin. As the foundation of your skin's structure, collagen maintains elasticity, hydration, and texture, helping reduce wrinkles and supporting a youthful glow. Hydrolyzed collagen peptides, especially from bovine sources, are easily absorbed by the body. Once they reach your skin, they stimulate collagen production and improve hydration, keeping your skin firm and plump. Collagen-rich foods, like bone broth and salmon, along with vitamin C-rich fruits, work together with collagen supplements to enhance both gut and skin health. If you want to learn about other key vitamins and minerals that support collagen synthesis and their role, visit our website and check our Collagen Synthesis article. Radiance starts from within. By nourishing your gut with collagen, you're also supporting vibrant skin and a healthy body. Discover more about nurturing your aging from the inside out at Timeless Radiance.